haven't taken breakfast. Babes, are you hungry? Me, I'm really hungry, and I woke up craving samosas. Like, our discussion since we checked from the house has been how bad I want samosas, and I don't know why you're really rushing.
Because of time.
I really don't care. Because
the day is short for me. It's really long for you.
No, it's not. It's not long for me. I just want you to kind of put your speed limit on check. Unakimbia kama mat. Unakimbia kama mat.
Why shouldn't we go like a matatu?
Kwa sababu sisi matatu ni personal. I feel like intelligence yetu ina differ.
It's not about intelligence, about.
If I die, you say I love you. My body na money na your own, oh baby. Are you adding my beats to your song? My song to your beats? Your beats?
I used to beatbox.
Yeah, Alvin, cut me some slack.
Yeah.
Maybe you can't.
I think every small kid beatboxes.
Let me kind of think of that. Okay, yeah, nanga beats. Make beats na mdomo.
Guys, actually, I mean, small boys.
Who cares about guys? I also used to beatbox at this point, but. Alvin is trying to call me a ratchet.
Just ask around.
I was a ratchet, and nowadays I'm a classy. No, I've never been a ratchet. I've been a classy in my middle world. Yeah, yeah. The thing, maybe my only issue as to why you're calling me ratchet is I used to cuss a lot. See, no? That's what you're actually basing this on.
That's symptoms, some signs of
See, lazima kwe ratchet. I used to cuss a lot. And then I stopped. Like, I got the blood of Jesus in me, in my veins.
After we met.
Not after we.
I showed you how to stay.
That's a lie. That's a lie. Funny thing is, it can't really change roles. You nowadays cuss a lot than I do.
I don't.
You do. You just cussed up on Yuma.
I didn't.
You did.
What did I say?
I don't know, but I'm a bit, what do you call it?
You've changed.
No, I'm not changed. I've never been ratchet, but.
I'm laughing because I know you know it's the truth.
It's not the truth. The one thing I just know is that I used to cuss a lot. A lot. And I just stopped
cussing
recently.
Only.
Yeah, cussing only, babe, actually. I haven't changed. Shut up. I haven't changed.
Saying the truth.
No, you're lying. We've been stuck in traffic for more than an hour. Ama? Sindo? Because we checked the house. It was 6. It was 7.
7:70.
So it's close to an hour. Yeah. In Nairobi. Now, after I had to go a quarter way there.
It's more than an hour, actually.
Yeah, it's more than an hour. With Kenya at the moment. For your billboard, yeah, you know what I mean? KCB Lions Den. It's a literal copycat of Shark Tank. Like other Kenya tungekuwa innovative. How do you copy one kipindi and duplicate 5 individuals the same as 5 individuals in Shark Tank? Ni bullshit.
The individuals, are they good in business?
The Shark Tank idea is that they're millionaires. I think even some are billionaires. I'm not quite sure of their net worth. But after I want to clear up something else, Shark Tank and then directly at the 2 lions. Then both of those animals are crazy. Like, that's it. Crazy.
Alignment on fleek.
So finally we are in the CBD after 1 hour and 20 minutes. Crazy. Because the last time we were in what do you call it, Le Barabara, before DT Dobby, it was around 8:51. Yeah. So finally we're in the CBD. So my craving came to an end. I bought samosas, so that's what I got. I don't know if you can see them. Yeah, my craving just got sorted out, and I got also tea, but because I couldn't go with a cup, I'm putting it in this weirdly shaped container of mine. Yeah. And Alvin just went to the office for a second. He has a meeting, just like around 15 minutes, and then we'll be out and go for the next stop. So we also bought also this. I don't know if you can see them. I hope it's not that bright. We also bought the biscuits, and that is going to be a breakfast tea, biscuits and samosas. Like, next time I should know and make breakfast at home. We were just in a hurry to check, so that's what happens when you're in a hurry. Alvin just texted me, he's like 2 minutes away. You're back. I got you samosas. Oops. You got everything finalized. You don't have to take some. You're so much in a hurry to check as if I want to leave your parking. By Macha I mean Machakos. Machakos. Anyway, so he finished what he's doing. We just ate.
I was thinking I need to buy a new door for this place.
You know you need to buy a door? Alvin nakwanga extra. You need to buy a door.
Take milango, there is one which was it. We put finger instead of closing the door.
And, oh, okay, I understand. I feel like unajua benchekesho kusema nini? After there is nothing good like doing the wrong thing and succeeding. That's fun. Yeah, right. are done. They look nice.
They look nice, huh?
Yep.
It's not too hard.
Yeah. And I remember, sorry, earlier this year we came and checked those houses, and they were going for how much? 27 million. I remember it was 4-bedroom, and I don't think they were in suites. How is it 27 million and you get better houses in Nairobi for a few less millions? And it's on the junction, like for security purposes, it's zero, and it's a gated community, but yeah, Machakos umekuwa baridi. Funny enough, I think it's near Makutano, so no? Because check, as we're heading to town, the clouds are kind of retrieving back to Makutano, so it's sky clear in the town itself. Just left, and we're now heading back to Nairobi. We didn't go to town, to Machakos town, because we are rushing back to Nairobi. And those if you're asking, Machakos to Nairobi is like an hour, so no? Yeah, like an hour's drive. So we're heading back to Nairobi. We also have some things to do, and time is rushing, and he also has a place to be at around 3, so time is not on our side, and it's around 12:30. So are we going to grab lunch? I am going to grab lunch. I don't care if you're hungry or not. I am. You've eaten most of my biscuits. Yeah, I was being a darling by giving you most of my biscuits, so yeah, I will grab something on our way back home. And Machakos was awesome. I love coming to Machakos. So I'm here at Flame Flavors in Makutano, and I'm going to grab my lunch. This. God, let me try. Okay. That's what I got. That's how the packaging comes. It's fries. Let me see. Let me make it. Yep. Babe, don't that look nice? I like hotels in Kanga salad for free. So yeah, and I got 2 sausages on this other side. In Nairobi, we're no longer, and I'm running low on charge, so it's raining in Nairobi, sucks, but I'm going to see you in the next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.